In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to N8N and test the connection successfully. We'll walk through the setup from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can get your Airtable node ready to use inside an N8N workflow. This is a great first step if you want to automate tasks between Airtable and other apps. To begin, open N8N and create a new workflow. Starting with a fresh workflow helps keep everything organized, especially if you're just testing the connection for the first time. Once the workflow editor is open, you'll be ready to add the app you want to connect. Next, click the plus button to add a node and search for Airtable. When it appears in the results, select it to place the Airtable node into your workflow. This node is what allows N8N to communicate directly with your Airtable account, so everything starts here. After that, you'll need to add a new Airtable credential. In N8N, credentials are used to securely connect your account to the platform without having to re-enter access details every time. When you open the credential settings for Airtable, choose the option to create a new credential. Now go to Airtable and create or copy your personal access token. This token is what gives N8N permission to access your Airtable data. Be careful when handling it because it should be treated like a private key. Make sure you copy the token correctly so there are no extra spaces or missing characters, since even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working. Once you have the token, go back to N8N, paste it into the Airtable credential field, and save the credential. Saving it properly is important because this confirms that N8N can store and use the connection details for the Airtable node. With the credential in place, choose the Airtable base and the table you want to use. This tells N8N exactly where to look in your Airtable workspace. If you have multiple bases or tables, take an extra second to confirm you're selecting the correct ones so your workflow points to the right data. Finally, run the Airtable node to confirm the connection works. This test helps verify that your token, credential, base, and table are all set up correctly. If the node runs successfully, your Airtable connection is ready to go and you can move on to building the rest of your automation. That's it. You've now connected Airtable to N8N and confirmed that everything is working properly.